My beauty, my style, self-growth, my way.
We are back with another wig review. We are working with Gorgeous Hair Wigs today. So first and foremost, shout out to Gorgeous Hair for sponsoring today's video. I'm super excited because y'all know here lately I have been doing nothing but black hair. Personally, I just love black hair, especially jet black hair. But today, baby, we trying something different. I am super excited, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, first things first, y'all already know that every time you get a little wig pack, you're gonna get some goodies in there. Let's see what we got. I think we got like some little duckbill clips. We got a comb in here. Looks like we have some tweezers. Oh, this is the first time I've had one come with tweezers, and I needed a new pair. Okay, right on time. Do y'all see the orange? I haven't even taken it out all the way. Ah! Oh, this is a way out of my norm. The hair has dark brown all the way around, and then it has this fiery like orange in the front. And I want you guys to pay attention to the curls too. It has a really soft wave curl. So today's unit from Gorgeous is a synthetic wig, okay? I just want that to be very clear. This is a synthetic unit, but I want you to pay attention to the hair. Like, it definitely does not give off synthetic type hair. You know, when we go in the hair stores, we see a synthetic wig, that mug looks super shiny. Like, you can kind of tell it's a synthetic. But I think that this unit actually looks really good to be a synthetic unit. I think it was like a premium fiber. Also, in the inside, it is ventilated, and I love that, baby, because I like to scratch my scalp, okay? So it's definitely ventilated. You can stick your fingers like all the way through. Like, as you can see here, my finger is on one side through the other. What is this, L-shaped or T-shaped? Is this what it's called, the T-shaped part? Let me go ahead and put it on, and we'll see what we working with. Ooh, take two. Okay, so hold on. Okay, it is it's definitely brighter than my norm. I'm liking it. I am not opposed to color. So let's go ahead and brush these curls out and see what they're giving. I do know that the heat on this is 350, and 350 is kind of low, but because of the type of premium fiber that this synthetic hair is, these curls will hold. So as you can see, you brush them through, it's got like a really nice wave. Hold on, I'll get closer so you guys can see. So, I mean, the wave definition on this wig is amazing. Tangle wise, I mean, it's a synthetic wig, y'all, so it's going to have just a minimal, you know, little bit of tangling, but overall, like, my brush is going through it pretty good, and it's flowing nicely. So all right, we're gonna spray this bad boy down. I'm gonna just pin this back real quick, trim the lace. I think I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of foundation on my cap. I was about to say ball cap. This is not a ball cap. So as you can see, I'm leaving my wig cap on while I'm putting this makeup on. Rewind that. I'm leaving the wig on my hair while I put this makeup on, and that's because I only want to put makeup in that one spot where the part is. I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of spray just in this one particular spot right here. You definitely could wear this as a glueless unit. Like, please don't get me wrong, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I got a big head. And I don't have time for this wig to be sliding off. I have tried glueless wigs, and sometimes them mugs just creep on back on my hairline. They be back here, and I don't got time for that. And And I'm just gonna kind of hold my finger there for a second. Feel a lot better. It's not sliding off my forehead. Brush it. Let's see. Oh, I'm feeling myself. Okay, with the brown and the orange hair, I'm gonna have to give her a name because she definitely ain't Tony. She's somebody else. Definitely way out of my element, but I think it's fun. I think it's cute. If you are not opposed to synthetic wigs, I think you should definitely try it out. Just keep a brush because it does not, it doesn't tangle bad. Now there is tangling, I'm not gonna lie, because like I said, this is synthetic hair. But as you can see, as soon as you brush through it, I mean, the curl comes right back. Like, it's a super soft body wave. And I think it's perfect, especially, you know, as we are getting into the warmer months, and then with the color, I think it's the perfect combination. Beginner friendly wig, okay? This wig, you can literally take it straight out the box. There's no customizations needed. So overall, out of my comfort zone, but I think it's out of my comfort zone in a good way. And I'm not opposed to it. I'm here for it. I'm here for the colors. Once again, definitely shouts out to Gorgeous Hair for sponsoring today's video. I, of course, will not leave you hanging. I will make sure that my coupon code is in the description box, or I will put it across the screen. I'll probably do both. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in to today's video. If you've been here, then you already know what I'm about to say, but if you have not, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby, and also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well, so you can see when the videos is going up on my channel. Until next time, love.